big wide grins, fluffy fur from chins to shins, friendly faces all around, magic in that forest found. Oh, the forest comes alive, monsters sing and monsters chime, round and round in glee they spin, where the merry tales begin. Hopping here and skipping there, monsters pranking without a care, leaves are rustling with delight, happy hearts in moonlight bright.